patented technology uses a controlled heating of the tissue through uniform molecule excitation. The EXLIS gives outstanding results with maximum patient safety and easy user control. The patented dual energy delivery of the EXLIS is extremely useful for volume reduction, skin tightening, body contouring, cellulite, as well as for facial rejuvenation and face lifting.
From CBS News, it's The Early Show.
If you're thinking of doing some spring spruce up on your body, but you don't want to go under the knife for cosmetic surgery, there are now several non-invasive procedures available to you these days. Dermatologist Janine Downey is here to look at some of the newest options. Nice to have you back with us this morning, Doctor.
Thank you, Erica. Great to be back.
So the difference, just real quickly, between an invasive and a non-invasive is really the scalpel in many ways.
Right, exactly. And the invasive procedures tend to have much more downtime. They tend to be more costly. And because there's more downtime, there tend to potentially be more side effects.
Okay, so this is a little quicker.
It's quicker.
A little bit less
easier.
Expensive.
Yes, exactly.
Still, you know, shelling out some cash.
Right,
but,
exactly.
So the first one you're going to show us is something called EXLIS.
Right.
What does it do?
Okay, so EXLIS means thin in Latin. It's fabulous. It's new radio frequency technology where we can actually tighten the skin and melt the fat. So I melted away saddlebags on myself that I've had for forever. And I was just like, you've got to be kidding me.
That before and after is amazing. The after is not retouched, right?
Right, no, the after is not retouched.
So it does more than just sort of firm up the underneath layer. It actually helps the
tightens.
Skin.
Yeah, it actually tightens. So it's radio frequency. It actually, the heat goes down 2 centimeters into the deep dermis, and it actually, you know, causes a metabolic activity onset, which causes the fat cells to break apart. It goes into your lymphatics. You drink a ton of water, and you basically pee the fat out. It's completely safe.
Sounds good to me.
It's got no side effects. Good for all skin types. It's amazing. It's amazing technology. We're really excited.
So talk to us a little bit more as you show us. Joanne has graciously offered where, as we see how it works here, it's popular for stomach, also for chin, I understand, and for your arms. And this is for most women. No matter how much time you spend in the gym, it's really difficult in certain areas.
So it's targeted fat tissue lipolysis, which means the fat cells are breaking apart. It's unbelievable. So what this is great for people that, you know, are trying to exercise, but, you know, are not really getting anywhere with stubborn, resistant areas of fat. So saddlebags, the fat knee pads above the knees. Some of my patients are doing it for their ankles. You can actually do it on your face. You know, I mean, it's going to wind up costing you about $500 per treatment session, so about $2,000 for the entire 4 treatment sessions. Some people need 6. It depends on the actual person.
So that's one option. Thank you very much.
We're having a good time throwing out some 4-letter words today, but don't worry, Mom and Dad, these are actually good for you. So what's the F word that you want your skin to be?
Firm.
Yeah.
Yes, it's firm. And we have Dr. Orton. I love the audience today. Dr. Orton is backstage with dermatologist Ava Shamban in our procedure room with a new technique to get you firm.
All right, we're going to start firming it up in 1 second. And with us today is our go-to dermatologist, Dr. Ava Shamban, and her patient, Sarah. And you brought a new toy today, didn't you? It's EXLIS.
It is the EXLIS. It's a new arrival in the radio frequency tissue tightening scene. Very exciting. And Sarah.
So, Sarah, you tell us what is bothering you. What do you want to firm up?
My tummy. I just had twins 4 months ago.
Did you really?
And I could use a little firming. I have some excess skin and stretch marks, and I don't want to have them.
And so EXLIS is good for this?
EXLIS is a great answer for this. We're just going to show Sarah's tummy here, which looks pretty good for twins, I think.
For twins and for just a few months?
For just a few months. And so what you can see is that Sarah's got a little extra fat here, and then she's got a little bit of these kind of stretch marks and loose skin from carrying 2 big babies. So I'm going to have you lay back, and we're going to demonstrate the EXLIS. So here we go. It just feels like a gentle hot stone massage. And what we're doing is we're heating the skin both at a deeper level and more superficially so that we get both tissue tightening and shrinkage of the fat. This is an advance because you're not only delivering heat deep to shrink the fat, but also you can deliver the heat at the very top layer to shrink the skin.
you know, Sarah's problem, she has this loose excess skin after those pregnancies, and what this Excellis is going to do is through that tightening mechanism, smooth her out. And I think you brought along some pictures to give Sarah an idea of what she has to look forward to in terms of before and after. And the picture we're seeing here, I assume, is after a full course of treatment, 4 treatments.
Correct.
Very nice improvement without going under the knife.
I'm assuming, Dr. Shamban, that this is a little cheaper than tummy tuck
Than
and
a
other
full-on
things?
tummy tuck, it would be between $800 and $1,500.
Okay. That is less than a tummy tuck.
That is definitely less than a tummy tuck.